Today topic of discussion is B cells or B lymphocytes. Why we used to call it as B cell? Because its location. It generates bone marrow. It is a place to generation of B cells as well as maturation also. That's why we are calling it as B cell. B stands for bone marrow. It is a location of generation as well as maturation. It is a type of immune cells, meaning those cells which will protecting our body from foreign invaders. From where we are going to get B cells, hematopoietic stem cells. From where? Hematopoietic stem cells. So we are going to get B cell from hematopoietic stem cells. If we are talking about that identification marker, that means that kind of protein or surface protein can help in the identification of B cells. So identifying marker or surface marker, it is known as CD19. If the cell having CD19 on surface, it is the indication that is representing the family of B cells. So location, bone marrow, hematopoietic stem cells, then it is a type of immune cells, then identification or surface marker CD19. If we talk about action of B cells, whenever encounter of antigen with B cells, this B cell converted into plasma cell. What is plasma cell have to do? This plasma cell will be give to soluble antibodies. These antibodies helping will removing this antigen from particular area or from that body. So first of all, there will be encounter of antigen with B cell. The B cell will change into plasma cell. Then the plasma cell at a soluble form which will secreting the antibody. That antibody will respond for removing antigen or pathogen from that particular area. B cell also very famous for generating memory cells. It can form memory for any kind of antigen attack. For first time antigen attack to the body, if the same antigen attacks second time, this particular memory cell identify the pathogen very effectively. So this antibody also known as serum protein. Next, important functions. It acts as antigen presenting cell APC, antigen presenting cells. It have very important role whenever attack of antigen inside body. That time antigen presenting cell used to enhelp or attack that antigen, which make fragmentation, which is known as processing antigen. Finally, the antigen presenting cells on the surface, it going to activate another immune cell that will be helping in removing that antigen in that particular body. Antigen presenting cell means we are thinking only B cells, so it is called as professional antigen presenting cells. Apart from these B cells, which is going to have a receptor, P cell receptor PCR on its surface. So suppose this one is B cell having receptor, surface having this B cell surface having membrane immunoglobulin. Okay, for antigen attack, it have one heterodimensional, that means two different type of monomer. First monomer name is called as Ig alpha. Second monomer name is called as Ig beta. Whenever there is attack of antigen, it is encountered by membrane immunoglobulin. For it signal transaction. There is attack of antigen only membrane immunoglobulin. It is going attack the antigen, but immunoglobulin alpha and immunoglobulin beta it have role of signaling pathway. That means whenever there is attack of antigen, the whole process will be proceeded with the help of Ig alpha and Ig beta. So the whole complex together recorded as B cell receptor. Another name of Ig alpha CD79A, Ig beta CD79B. So these are the important point of B cells. So important point of B cells, synthesis and maturations in bone marrow. There are type of immune cells. Then which has been produced hematopoietic stem cells. They have surface protein CD19. If talk about action, whenever there are going to encounter antigen, they converted into plasma cells which going to secrete antibodies which is known as serum protein. Along with they are capable to form memory cells. They also known as professional antigen presenting cell because they are very efficient in presenting the antigen that is in process form. Then they have P cell receptor on its surface. That receptor bind with antigen and enhance signaling pathway proceeded. Thanks for watching.